Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the not McDonald's chicken nugget challenge. I was tagged by my girl Madison Mukbang. Thank you for tagging me in this video. I was super excited when I saw that notification on Instagram. I was like, fuck yes, that sounds amazing. And then I went on the hunt for the best vegan chicken nuggets. And Madison did, I'm pretty sure, her video, unless I'm thinking of someone else, they did the 365, which is a Whole Foods brand chicken nuggets, and I hear they're really good, so I bought 4 bags. So total we have 52. I could have bought 100 nuggets total, but I mean, let's be real. Your girl's not gonna eat that much. We're just not. So right here, there's 52. And I think that's a challenge in itself. And then right here, we have a bunch of sauces. We have vegan ranch. One day I will be making your homemade ranch, Madison. I will, because it looks smacking. Like, it looks so damn good. Vegan ranch, vegan honey mustard, so good. Ketchup, barbecue sauce here in the back. And right here is like some sweet and sour sauce from these vegan spring rolls that I get. I got some water in my cup. And a can of Sprite, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be opening this because soda normally gets me full faster, so we'll see. I really need napkins. I'm gonna go grab some napkins. Got the napkins. I didn't eat anything today. It is about to be noon and it's the day after Thanksgiving, so I woke up and I was craving. I have a crap ton of leftovers. I was just craving some leftovers, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do the challenge today and I really don't want to mess my stomach up. So yeah, doing this on an empty stomach. I kind of want to start with the honey mustard first. And I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna tag anybody, like, because everyone who I would have tagged has already done this or already has been tagged. So yeah, if you're watching this and you want to do the chicken nugget challenge, make a video and tag me in it and let me know that, like, let me know that you did it, because that would be awesome. And also, I wish I had like little dishes so I can put these sauces in and like display them on the side or on the front, but I don't, so I guess this will have to do. I'm so excited. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Okay. One more time so you can see. These are the three sauces first. I'm actually gonna put it this way. Yeah, let's do it that way. Now you can see all the nuggets. Oh, I should have done that in the first place. Damn it. All right, honey mustard first. Okay. As you can tell, they're pretty dense. A lot of vegetarian and vegan nuggets are super dense and they have a lot of coating on the outside. Taste-wise, I think they're really good, but it does take a while. Like, it's definitely not in comparison to McDonald's because those barely have anything on the outside. So good though. The barbecue. Oh yeah. My camera doesn't do like the zoom in or the focus, but you can see, kind of, sorta. They remind me of like a frozen chicken patty. What was that, 3? Get some ranch now. Oh, that was good with the ranch. I will say, I've seen a lot of chicken nugget challenge videos. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I hate when, I don't hate, but I really dislike when they take it and bite into it instead of just popping the whole thing in their mouth. I don't know why, but it's just so much more satisfying when they just like put the whole thing in their mouth and eat it that way. But eating these, I'm like, bro, they're so dense and like thick, you know? Like Megan McCollum, I forgot what number I'm on, I think 4, 5. Like she was like throwing them in her mouth in the beginning, and then towards the end, she kind of like started doing half. But I know it's just so satisfying to see the whole thing going in your mouth. I don't know. Right? Oh, I forgot this one. As of right now, though, the barbecue sauce is my fave. I also saw another girl, I don't remember her channel, but she dipped hers in maple syrup. I was like, that actually sounds so freaking good, but I don't have any. Honey mustard. What's your favorite sauce to dip your nuggets in? For the longest time, mine was ketchup and then barbecue. I really like the ranch and the barbecue though. Hopefully I get tagged in another kind of challenge, because this is fun. Like seeing these videos pop up and everyone just like interacting or connecting in that way, I think it's super cool. If you have a channel, like a mukbang channel, and you want me to check it out, leave it down below and I definitely will. I really want to count these to see where I'm at. Oh, even, cool. Really? How many minutes has it been? 12? $40, so I already ate 12. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to slow down on the water because I could feel it like filling my tummy up. Ooh, I feel a burp coming. The barbecue is the best. This is fun. I like it. I hope everybody had an awesome Thanksgiving. I went to my mom's house and the whole family came over. It was such a good time seeing everybody. I drank a lot. I mixed a lot of liquor. Started off with vodka, went to whiskey, and then I went to champagne, and then I went to cognac. Like, what the fuck? But I was off today, so why not, you know? A little suicide dip with all 4, 5. This is number 16. Oh, I'm starting to feel it. Because like I said, these are like super dense. Just because somebody could eat 50 McDonald's nuggets, it's not equivalent to 50 of these. It's just not. A lot more breading. Madison, how the hell did you get in your 30s? Nugget wise. That sounded so fucking stupid. What did you eat, like 36? Holy crap. I think I've only had these nuggets one other time. And that was when I first went vegan, like almost 2 years ago. Whatever I can't finish, I'm saving for later, and my boyfriend will gladly eat them. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you check out my other videos and you like what you see, and maybe you'll subscribe, join the fam bam. We would love to have you. I'm trying to think. How many did, I know Madison tagged Ashley Sprinkles. I wonder how many she ate, I forgot. I don't think it was as much as Madison. Oh, damn. I'm starting to see that wall that I'm about to hit. I was also contemplating not eating anything, because usually when I go without eating and then I eat again, I get full very fast. But like I said, I didn't want to eat the leftovers and then like my stomach hurt and me not wanting to do this. Keep the burps coming. Clear some room in my stomach. I think the real challenge would be doing 100 365 Whole Foods chicken nugget challenge. I know you think it looks easy, I know. It's not. Not bad, not bad. I just wanna lay down for a little bit. Oh, I kind of feel like if I take a couple sips of Sprite, it'll make me burp. And clear some room for me. Hopefully. Ooh. I feel like I want to at least get to 25. But it's hard. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to 25. These are so damn dense. It literally takes me like 20 chews to finish one. I want to at least finish this one because I hate odd numbers. Okay. I'm gonna try and finish this one right here. Let's see what sauce we have. Do ranch and barbecue. Oh, wow. I don't think the soda's helping me too much. Oh, can't do it that way. It's like I want to keep continuing. I feel like I could get maybe 2 more down, at least. I'm not a quitter. I'm not. Another challenge that I want to do is the big salad challenge. Because one, I love salad. And that just sounds fun. But there is a lettuce recall. So I've not been buying any lettuce. I normally don't anyways, but I'm still like hesitant to buy spinach and kale. But I do want to do that challenge eventually. Okay. Honestly, I want to take a nap. Get some honey mustard, barbecue ranch. This might be it, you guys. This might be it. Okay. I feel a burp coming, like, just come on. So crummy. Okay. $24 nuggets. I don't know what the hell that was. Not bad. Wow. This is the damage. Ooh, and what's left over. Whew. They look like tater tots from here. Oh my goodness. Oh, fuck. I'm so full. But watch, I bet you. I'm gonna put this up, go upstairs, lay down for a little bit, maybe get a couple burps out, and I'll be like, damn, kind of want some chicken nuggets. I bet. It always happens, always. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The 100 not McDonald's chicken nugget challenge. I finished 24. And that's a lot, especially for these. I think you should try 365 Whole Foods brand chickenless nuggets and see for yourself. Like, yeah, super tasty. Like, they taste amazing, but they're just very dense and breadcrumby. So it was a little bit harder than I thought it would be. But thank you to Madison Mukbang for tagging me in this. It was super fun, and yeah, I tag anybody watching this. If you have a YouTube channel and you make mukbang videos, or you don't and you just want to try this, I tag you. Tag me in social media if you do it, so I can go watch it. And my handle is the same thing as it is here, Sunsetsandsamosas. It'll be linked down below. And yeah, give it a shot. Let's see if you can get down more than I can. Whew. I thought I was gonna be able to eat more, but the chicken nuggets won. Skylar 0, chicken nuggets 1. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Please stick around, subscribe if you liked today's video. And yeah, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world. And I will see you very soon. Bye.